I would give you a little empty condo tour before we start fixing it up. So, Cole, come on. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys this space. I'm not going to really chit chat about our ideas for the space right now. Maybe that would be another video. But you walk in, here's our foyer, or foyer, however you want to pronounce it. Into our grand living space. This is going to be like the living and dining. It's just one big room. Obviously it's really echoey in here right now because it's empty. Cole and I were really looking for like more of a vintage unit than one that was like new or updated. So one thing that we absolutely love about this unit are these fold out blinds. So it's kind of like a little, you know, little secret blind situation we have here. They fold into the wall, which is, we're really excited about these bad boys. So if you want more privacy, obviously you can shut them. And then my favorite way is just seeing like the outside of this wood. Thankfully, they've been stripped. It looks like somebody might have painted them at some point and then re-stripped them. But we plan on leaving them the way they are because we absolutely love them. And we love the really tall ceilings in here. I think we have 10-foot ceilings. That's hard to come by also when you're looking to buy in the, you know, in the city. The other thing that we absolutely loved about the space, so when you come into like, this is gonna be like the dining area. Obviously right now it's just one big space. Are these vintage drawers that lead you into the kitchen. Now, how often we're gonna have these closed, I don't know, but they're still pretty freaking cool, if you ask me. And you know, unfortunately, somebody like painted over the vintage pools, which I assume they're probably brass. Hoping to clean those up at some point, clean up the doors. They're a little wobbly, you know, we have some work to do. And it leads you into our kitchen. Back into the living dining space. We'll walk down this hallway. We've got our washer dryer, which is key, especially when you're in the city. Sometimes it's hard to find a place that has a washer dryer unit. So that was like a big, I guess, checkbox for us to have. Then we've got our bathroom here. Nice and cozy. Video to show. Let me turn the lights on. Probably should have done that beforehand. Noob. So this is going to be the master bedroom. Right now we have carpets. We're getting ready to rip up these carpets, and then we're going to put down hardwood floors like we have in the living and dining, and then they'll be stained somewhat similarly to match what we're doing in the rest of the space. And then we'll move on to what will be Cole's office. Door. We have some really beautiful curtains in here right now. And again, carpet's gonna be pulled up and hardwood floor is gonna be put down. We're really excited for that. And there's one last space to show you. Probably Cole's favorite space of the whole place. So follow me to the outdoors. This is our outdoor area, our deck, and yeah. following along what we've been doing since we moved in. We did move in a couple weeks ago. We've been doing some DIY projects, some renovations, some painting, some floor staining. Be sure to subscribe if you're looking for more real-time content. Follow me on Instagram. It's easy for me to post there and to keep you guys updated. And I'll see you soon. Bye! What's up?
Wait, does this work?